Dara ko, be. Kaya magkuhan sa ako, maglasis ako. Kung nalang matiwasin kay...
Natalo yun isa.
Manile, na imong alin dare. Hi, Tono.
Hi, teacher.
Good afternoon. Dare, mong bayad ni Inday. Naglasin ako dari ha. Ang anda kay naptay ko glasin. Wala na lang ko kauli.
Commute ka, che.
Nakan na.
Wala ka na. Sing na. Oh!
Okay, Tono. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Wait me ha.
Okay.
Wait me. What happens?
Kung kabalo mo, teka ako kasi news. So, patay na sila lang.
Okay, so we have vocabulary words. Ipos naman eh. Okay, we have
Okay.
reservations,
Pagawas ka,
resident. Okay, book. We have confusion, feedback, check in, check out, pay the bill. Okay, you understand this one?
Yes.
Okay, so next one. So we have here reception desk. Okay, we have restaurant, lobby bar, corridor, sitting room, single room, double room, twin room, triple room, connecting room. Okay, so connecting room and family room, they are just same with each other.
Okay.
Next one, please. For hobby, we have here different hobby. We have go partying. Okay, so we have mountaineering, play sports, hang out with friends, jogging, watch TV, go to gym, go for a walk. So these are the different hobby. Okay, what hobby in here, Tono, that you like the most?
I like the most. I like the most is go shopping
Oh, go shopping. Why do you like go shopping?
because sometimes I need to buy something and buy some new clothes.
Okay. The next is mountaineering. Oh, sorry. Okay, go partying and wait a minute. Mountaineering. Okay, so are you familiar with mountaineering?
Mountaineering. I don't like it.
You didn't like it?
No.
First kailan ko na kontra.
Okay, mountaineering is quite dangerous, I think. When you say the word mountaineering, it's quite dangerous. Okay, so it's mountaineering. Okay, it's dangerous. Next, we have here the word another lesson to music. Oh, do you love to listen to music?
Yes.
Okay, you love it. How about gardening? Hey,
Gardening. I think I very like because I can take care of the tree and take some fruit.
Okay. Next is take photograph. Do you love to take photograph?
I don't really like this hobby because I like it to go around home. Then I take photograph.
Okay. Next is sing. Sing.
I can sing because my voice is not great.
Okay, you love to
Not a lot.
How about
Uy,
sleep?
Lord sila dyan yan, Steve.
How about
Yes,
sleep?
yes, I like this because I can rest after this class.
And sleep? How about sleep? You love to sleep always?
Yes,
Okay, dance.
dance. I don't like dance, and I don't like dance very much. I can play sport more than dance. I feel that is very hard and I'm very tired.
Okay. Boys. Okay, so when you feel very tired, you need to have complete sleep. Okay, complete sleep.
Yes.
We have here part of the house. We have living room, bedroom, we have bathroom, dining room, kitchen, yard, garden, and garage. These are the different parts of the house, right? So, what is the most favorite? What is your most favorite part of the house?
Ito naman.
It's bedtime because I can't do anything in bed and
Sorry,
I'm sleeping.
Benita.
Okay.
I sleep in there.
Okay, so house, we also have armchair, bed, bookshelf, clock, cupboard, mirror. We have wardrobe and side. Okay, please try to answer. Okay, age.
Imong gipapil di akong account.
Age, you have young, old, middle ages, in her 20s. Old, and then in her 20s, knee high. Oh, dili ka to. Okay, we have no springs, chicken, over the hill, Hong Kong Min, ripe old age. So these are the different terms for the age.
Okay.
Okay, for the shape, we have thin, slim, well built, muscular, fat, okay, overweight, obese, stocky, stout, fit. Wait, pero ako ang gusto. Fit and fail. So these are the different. We have the different shape. Okay. So what do you think if you think you're obese? So it's not good, right? When you say the word obese, it's not good. Okay. Because you want to be fat? Hmm? You want to be fat? Kono?
No,
Oh, so how about slim? Are you slim?
I sleep.
I am. Again. Are you slim?
Yes,
I am slim. Now, Tall. Okay, tall, it means, oh, you're tall. Tallish, short, shortish, of medium or average height. Okay, like this. So how old are you, Tono?
My mom tell me my leg is longer than my back.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And
Who is taller, you or me? Who is taller, you or me?
I taller than you because I one measure city.
Oh, you are taller than me?
Yes.
Oh, but you have the same age.
Yes.
How old are you?
Same
You're
age.
10? You're 10?
I 11.
You are 11 years old. Okay.
Yes.
So here, we have here the hair. Okay, your hair. What's the color? We have blonde, dyed, ginger. Okay, straight, curly, bald, with plaits and ponytail. Okay. So what is the color of your hair? It is?
My color hair is
The color
black.
of my hair.
The
Again.
color of my hair is black.
Hmm.
It's straight.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's straight, black and straight.
Yes.
Okay, is it straight or no?
Yeah, my hair is straight.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so this one. We have another, the general descriptions. If you will say about general description, we have handsome, manly, beautiful, pretty, stunning, attractive, gorgeous, good looking, plain, ugly, and hot. So these are the different directions, descriptions generally. Oh, you're so hot, teacher. Oh, you're so ugly. Oh, you're so gorgeous. You're so stunning. You're so attractive. Okay, so those are the different description on how you will describe the people. It could be a boy or it could be a girl, Tanong. Okay, so preposition of place. So the one here in the right. So these are the preposition of place. So we have here at, in, on, by, next, under, below, above, between, behind, across from, opposite, in front of, near, inside, and outside. So these are the different preposition of place. So when you say in, when you say near, behind, okay, in front. So these are the preposition of place. Okay, preposition of direction, okay, or the movement. So, where is the ball, Tono? The direction? Where is the ball? It's there. It's onto. It's from. Okay, where are you from? I came from. Okay. So, where is the store? It's along the next street. Okay, so this is, you are talking about direction. Okay,
Okay.
next. So we have here, okay, look at this, Tono. Okay, so do you know how to book a hotel? Like when you travel and you really need to book a hotel. Do you know how to do that? Or your mom is the one who are gonna tell you how?
Yes, I know to book a hotel room.
Okay. So you are gonna book a hotel room. Okay. I'd like to look a room for next 6 days. Okay. I need room for tonight or for tomorrow. Okay. Like this. So when you try to book a hotel, of course, you need to call first. Okay. You have to call someone. Okay. In the online. Okay. So you're gonna check about the availability or what is the available time for that, like that. So I need room for tonight or tomorrow. Okay, that is it. Okay, now asking about hobby. Okay, I will ask now. What are your hobbies, me? If I will ask you, what are your hobbies?
My my hobby are go swimming and draw.
Okay, hobbies, swimming and drawing. Okay, so what is your favorite now? What do you like doing? What do you
Mm,
like doing?
I like I like go I like hang out with friends.
Hmm. Do you like to?
I like to hang out with my friend.
With your friend. Okay. Okay. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
I go I go cycle around my like village.
Okay, like the village. Okay. So, wait, what do you do for fun? Sample, you
Mm,
will be in your countryside. What do you do to make you happy?
mm, I go cycle. I go cycling around the village.
Okay. And what sort of hobby do you have right now?
Can you ask again? I can't hear it.
You cannot hear me. What do you
Yeah.
think? What sort of hobby do you have right now? The hobby that do you have right now?
I have uh play. I have playing. I have hobby or playing sport and cycling.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what are you interested in? Okay, another sport. What sports are you interested in?
Mm, I like. I interested in
Mm-hmm.
listening to music.
Okay.
I,
Now, so please, speaking. Okay. So here, look at this. Sorry. So here, Tono, please try to answer. Okay, you finish this phrase. Okay, like you was example. I like to play out. I like to play in the park. Oh, you finish this, huh? I enjoy watching movie. Okay, you write your answer in the chat box. Please finish this 7 about your hobby. Okay?
okay.
kaibigan ito. Ang kanilang lucky charm sa garahe, siktan, at ang produkto sa damo, Babilay Barn. Business na nakalang papatuloy dahil pinapansin at minsan pangalugi. Pero ay, alam nangyari. At ito ang nagbigay lahat. Sensor at kaso na lang. Ang kanilang nakakahanap retro from next year. Todo nakaporma, naka-sports car pa, ang mga proud kapampangan friends, abay mga asensado, executives at big time negosyante na nga talaga. Mga dating nagsimula sa wala, pero ngayon, living their hashtag best life na. Paano ginawa ng mag-asawang Rich Marquis? Mga kaibigan sila Manuel, Revy, GJ at Melchor, ang expired to inspired na diskarte nila sa buhay. Sa maliit na garahe sa bahay ni Rich, nabuo ang kanilang ng uling. Iginugit nila sa sahig ang manifestation ng isang malaking opisina ng kanilang itinayong kumpanya. Start po kasi kami.
Ato si Edito.
Different
Oh. Lagi-lagi mo dito.
Nabenta, kami po magkakasama ng mga kaibigan ko. Hanggang sa dumating po kami sa point na naghahanap na po kami ng
Chinese teacher.
Okay. I like Joey. I enjoy listen to music. Okay. I'm keen on drawing. I'm into hanging out with friends. I'm crazy about drawing again. And then I love drawing. I'm interested in listening to music. What music do you like the most? What music do you like the most, Tono? Okay, is it rock, love songs, pop music, or what music? K-pop? Oh,
I like them.
you love the? You love
Oh,
K-pop?
I love lo-fi music.
Oh, you love that one. Okay. So we have here. Okay, so we have speaking. Okay, please here. Please, do you like to keep your pets in your home? Do you like to keep your pets in your home? Wait, me Tono. Do you like to keep your pets in your home?
Yes.
Okay. What
Yes,
pets do you have in your
like-
home? What pets do you have in your home?
I like to keep a cat in my home.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you like more like your mother or your dad? Do you like more like your mother or your dad?
I like more my mother because my mother very always usually kind and have fun usually.
Okay. Okay. So how about your dad? Who looks like your dad?
My dad's often and really often angry, but some but often my dad happy.
Happy person. Your dad is happy person?
Mm, my dad not a happy person and not angry person too. My dad often happy and angry.
Okay, sometimes happy and angry. Okay. So sometimes your dad is happy and sometimes he is angry. Okay. So how about your mother? Is your mother gentle woman?
My mother is a kind and helpful person. She usually is happy.
Okay, very happy. How old is your mom, Tono?
My mom four, 40 years old.
Okay, 14? 14?
40,
Oh, okay,
yes.
14. Did I? So look at this one. Where is the most amazing place you have been? Okay, you travel, right? So where do you think is the most amazing place you have been into?
Mm, is is a is a stream in where I had to go to here last month at on in my on holiday. I go to here in the stream.
Mhm.
It's amazing in planes. It is in a frozen.
Okay. Yes, in where it's a very nice place. About how about Ho Chi
Yeah.
Minh? What place? Where is this place?
Mm, I don't know where is this.
Hmm. Okay, so I think this not in here in Nanbinyam. Look at this very nice tono. Look at this one. Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
nice. Okay. So how often do you go to the shopping mall? How often do you go to the shopping mall?
I think uh, I I think I
Mhm.
go the shopping mall in my free time.
Okay. Like, is your house near to a shopping mall?
No, it's far, but I my mom has free time. My family has free time. We will go to the shopping mall.
Okay. Can you tell me the benefits of gardening? Can you tell me the benefits of gardening?
My in my garden, I often go to gardening to see to water plant and take care of them.
Mm-hmm.
I very like it. And the fruit in fruit tree on fruit tree.
You like it?
Yes. And my yard has some flowers
Mm-hmm.
and some and
Do you have
has
flowers?
some
By the way, in your house, do you have garden?
I think yes.
Mm-hmm.
Either yard I have some flowers and my mom has some rose.
Ah, okay. Okay, if you could choose one place to go, Tono, this weekend, this weekend. Okay, this weekend, then Saturday and Sunday, where would it be?
I like go to around my city, Da Nang. This Da Nang.
Okay, in Da Nang. Okay.
Yes, I really like go to Dragon Bridge because because has a street walk street and some cafe and I can drink in there and walk around to see Han River Bridge and Dragon Bridge.
Okay.
And in the Sunwell Park at 9 p.m. I think it's 9 p.m. has fireworks all the time, but it's best Tuesday.
Okay, so that's great. Okay, the
Yes.
list. Okay, so weekend. Okay, so what is the nearest place in your house where you can find the beautiful place? Nearest, nearest.
Nearest Dragon is Hue or Dragon Bridge. Uh, I like and nearest my house is Center City.
Mm-hmm.
Center City in Da Nang is very nice but fun and has and go around we go to the Songhan Bridge
Okay.
at Han River. Sorry.
Okay. So
Nearest.
I guess this one is in Vietnam. This one.
Yeah, it's in Vietnam. I think my it's the market on the river is in Cần Thơ.
Yeah, it's in Vietnam, I guess, right? It's in Vietnam.
Yes.
What kind of movies do you like the best? Look at this. It's romantic movie, action, or science fiction. What kind of movie? What kind of
I
movie do
like
you like the best?
animation or like cartoon. And mm, sometimes I like horror movie.
Mhm. Okay, so you like animation. So do you like watching this one, Spider-Man? Do you like Spider-Man? Do you like Spider-Man, Tono?
No, I don't like Spider-Man, but I like another of films. So this Disney or Illumination is
Mhm.
I like Illumination because it's Minions.
Okay. So, but sometimes watching animation or like this, science fiction is a very nice one, right? It's very interesting to watch that. Lord of the Rings. Oh, have you seen Lord of the Rings? It's
Mm,
Lord of the Rings movie.
I don't what kind of movies.
It
But
is an old
sometimes
movie. It is an old movie, but it's very nice one. Okay, it's actually old movie, but it's a nice one. Okay, now
I like
what do you
I
like?
like horror film.
Again,
Horror
horror.
film.
Oh, you like horror film?
Yes, I love very much.
Oh, why do you like horror film?
In Vietnam, I like uh, Ted in the Hell Village.
Okay, so you like it. Okay,
Is the horror film in Vietnam.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, what food do you often cook the most often? What food do you cook the most often?
Most often,
Yeah.
I think my mom cooking. Um, I think rice or rice usually, but my mom cooked some seafood in the meal.
Ah,
Often,
seafood. You like to eat seafoods?
yes.
Okay. What seafood do you eat? Like crabs. Do you eat crab or shrimp?
Yes. Crab and shrimp I like burnt.
You like shrimp or crabs?
Crabs and squid,
Okay,
but I
squid.
don't.
Oh, you like squid.
Yes, I don't like fish, but I
Oh, you don't like
like
fish.
crab.
You didn't like fish?
Yes,
Why? Why you didn't
I
like
don't
fish?
because I feel is don't I feel is the taste is really good, but my mom tell me fish is really good for my health.
Ah, okay. Okay, this one. Do you feel actually comfortable when living alone or you want to be with lot of people?
Yes, because I can do anything when I alone, but sometimes I feel it's not it's uncomfortable.
Hmm?
So I very like someone I I like to someone live with me or has a pet.
Okay. Oh, so it's done. Okay, so of course, when you will go to university soon, or no, in the future, you will go to university, of course, you will gonna experience, okay, you will gonna experience uh live alone. Like when you go to other places, you go to Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh, okay? So you will gonna have to go to boarding school. So you're gonna experience to live alone. And living alone is different when you have your mom and dad with you. It's very different, right? It's far
Yes.
different. Okay, that's why you have to practice. Okay, do you know how to do household chores? Like, what do you call that one? Like, wash your underwear. Okay, wash the dishes. Wash or
Mhm.
prepare food. Do you know that? That's very
Yes.
simple. Okay. That's common things. Okay.
Yes. It's common.
Okay. So here, Tono. Oh, when will I see you again, Tono?
Wednesday at 5 p.m. and Thursday at 4 p.m. because Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday I have math class.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll be having class, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Tomorrow and Thursday at 4
Mhm.
p.m.
Okay, so Thursday 4 p.m. Okay. So thank you, Tono, for today. Then if teacher Ann will have Monday, but if I have class, can we have class at 5 p.m., Tono? 5 p.m. Because sometimes
Thursday,
it's hard for teacher to have class in 4 p.m. because I'm still in school. So that's why I go home late already. So how about tomorrow? What time we'll be having class? Wait me, I will check my schedule. Tomorrow is Wednesday, okay? So what times we will be having class?
we can have at 5.
Okay, 5 p.m. That would be okay. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Tono, for today. God bless. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, 5 p.m. But if teacher have time, we can have class at 4 p.m. or we can have class at 3 p.m. Or if you want to have class at 3 p.m., that would be okay for teacher. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
are you up to 3 p.m.? Are you okay with 3 p.m.?
No, because I went to sleep at 3:30 p.m. I wake up.
So 3:30, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let us have class at 3:30 if that would be okay for teacher. Okay? 3:30.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Tono. See you tomorrow, 3:30 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You're a teacher.
Thank you so much for today.